Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use bonus casino in OneWin. This is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneWin account, and to do so you will simply click on sign up. Here you're going to enter all your information. Next you're going to click on add promo code, and here you're simply going to enter the promo code bonus. By using this promo code you will get 100% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $150. Now all you have to do is to take on and do your first deposit. Now you get the bonus casino and all the bonus amount into your OneWin account. Then you'll be able to go directly and click on live games, or to click on whichever games you wish to play on the OneWin platform. But it's better to click on casino so as to use the bonus casino directly in games like Lucky Jet, Crash, and much more. So you are going to play, and OneWin will simply use the funds that you have got by your bonuses get to the registration code that you have previously mentioned, and so you end up getting more and more money using the bonus amount into the casino section in your OneWin account. And it's as easy as that.